Hi my lovelies, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. My name's Amanda if you're new here. Today I have a collective homeware haul to show you. I've been into several different shops and I've picked up some really lovely pieces and I've just put them all together to make this a collective haul. So it's a homeware collective haul, okay guys. So I've got items to share with you from Primark, Poundland, Tesco, and I've also got some beautiful scented candles that have been kindly gifted to me by a brand I'm going to be sharing with you today as well. Okay guys, if you're new to the channel, I'd love you to stick around and hit that subscribe button. I post weekly videos, lots of lifestyle content, shopping hauls, all that kind of thing that I love, all on a budget. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's get into today's haul. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first items that I picked up. And oh, there's items from IKEA as well that I forgot to show you. There's one item from IKEA, so I'm going to show you that one first. So this item I got from IKEA, it was actually reduced in the bargain basement side of IKEA, and I thought this was so beautiful. So it's a bunch of faux foliage. Okay, they look very realistic. You've got a mixture of eucalyptus there, you know, some ferns. I just think this is so lovely for the spring. My plan was to just have this in a nice vase, you know, put some gypsophenia with it and some yellow flowers just to bring out the spring in these. So I got this for £6.50. I'm not sure how much they originally are, but they were in the bargain basement. So I'm sure they were a lot more than what I got them for. So yeah, that's going to be part of my spring display for this year. So yeah, got those. Okay, that's IKEA. Okay, so moving on to Primark now. Okay, so I didn't pick too much up in each of these stores, but I just thought, like I said at the beginning, I just thought I'd put them all together and just show you what I picked up, because anything that comes in this house is haulable. Well, any homeware bits that come in the house is haulable. So I thought I'd just show you these as well. So in Primark, guys, I picked up these two beautiful wine glasses. Absolutely stunning. Now, when I went into my local store, this is in the Lewisham store actually, they only had two of these on the shelf. So I thought I'd just pick them up. You know, there's only two left in this colour. Now, they had them in other colours. They had them in pink, which was quite nice. I can just really see the pink ones on a display for Mother's Day, something like that, you know. But I've just gone for the clear ones because you can use these all year round. I'm not really hot on pink as such, okay? But these are just so lovely. Let me just bring them in closer so you can see all the lovely intricate detail on there. Absolutely beautiful. Now these have a price tag on them at £3.50. Bought them to the till and they scanned at £2, so reduced from £3.50 down to £2. I just absolutely love these. Now I have got similar ones to these from I think I got them from B&M, but one of them has chipped, so there's only one left now. So I thought, you know, replace them with these. I thought I'd pick these up. There's only two left on the shelf and I got them. So yeah, £2 for those. Okay, so that's that. Also from Primark, guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm really getting into these aesthetics of chopping boards and styling up my kitchen and so on. So I picked up this lovely chopping board. Now look at the design of this, guys. It's just so irregular. You know, it's just like, it's perfect really. Irregular but perfect. You know, like you get the chopping boards that are just straight, you know, with no kind of detail to them. I just found that this chopping board was quite interesting because of the shape. And this came in at £7. It's a really lovely piece to style up in the kitchen. So yeah, had to pick that up. Okay, so sticking with Primark, guys, I also picked up these. Now these were reduced. Now I'm not sure if they're going to show up well on the camera, but yeah, they are mirrors, so let's try and not show all my carnage. Okay, you can see my camera set up there. So they're lovely mirrors, guys. Okay, I just thought I can have them, like put one on either side of my bedside table like that, you know, and one on the other side. So I picked up two of them. Now I've had my eye on these in Primark for a little while. These are originally £14 and got reduced down to £7. One of them has a red sticker on. Reduced down to £7, guys. Okay, so yeah, I've just picked up two. So normally I'll just get the one, you know, but I've basically got two for the price of one. Okay, half price. So I picked those up. They're lovely details. So I don't know if I'm showing them at the best angle here. So if you can see, guys, it's got like on the top, it's got this lovely intricate gold decorative pieces on the top, and on the bottom of them as well, little decorated feet there as well. And then the mirror itself is like, it's like an unfinished mirror, so it's got no edging to it. You know, I do absolutely love that kind of style of mirror. So yeah, £7 each for those in Primark. Okay, so moving on now to Tesco Home. I just picked up a reed diffuser, which is this one here. Okay, really, really lovely. It's the fragrance of this is fresh thyme and sage. It's kind of like a fresh herbal kind of fragrance, and I think this is going to be perfect just to put in my kitchen on the shelf or in the dining area. Okay, so yeah, pick that up. This was also reduced in the Tesco sale. I don't want to say Tesco sale. You know, they have like, in Tesco, they have like little areas where they have reduced items. So I saw this in there, and that was just £2.40. Okay, and it's actually made with essential oils as well. That's one of the reasons why I picked it up. So that's that. So also from Tesco. Now this has been a while since I picked up this mirror, so I think I've gone a bit dark. Just lighten up myself a bit here. So it's been a while since I picked up this mirror in Tesco. Okay, I'm trying not to show all the carnage. Okay, let me do it from this angle. Yeah, so I picked up this mirror in Tesco. So it's a double-sided mirror, lovely oblong shape mirror, and this is going to go in our bathroom, because the one I've got in the bathroom at the minute, has gone a bit rusty, you know. So I like the shape of it, and I got this at a reduced price. So this was in the Tesco club card sale, I should say. Like I said, I've had it a little while now. I think they are originally £10. When I got it, it was £5. It had gone down to half price. So yeah, I got that as well, and I think that's absolutely gorgeous mirror. You know, this can even go on a dressing table. You know, I have actually moved it from the bathroom to my dressing table when I'm like putting on mascara or something like that, when I'm going out, like makeup, putting on makeup and so on, and also when I'm just like sorting out my eyebrows. You know, it's a really lovely mirror. You know, so yeah, I know I've got a few mirrors here to show you today. So yeah, so this one is from Tesco, and I think it's currently £10. If any of these items that I'm showing you today are linkable, I will link them in the description box below. Okay, I think this one is still available on the Tesco website, or if you go into store, you can pick it up from the shelf. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so the next items I'm going to show you are from Poundland. Now these are absolutely gorgeous. Now I have got quite a lot of photo frames. I'm kind of changing my style a little bit. There's a lot happening, guys. There's a lot going on for future content, so do stay tuned, guys. If you're not subscribed, do consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all that up and coming content. I'm so excited I can't even say anything too much now, but yeah, there's a lot going on, so do stay tuned. So anyways, in Poundland, guys, Poundland have come through with the goods. Poundland have come through with these beautiful photo frames. Now look how stunning these are. So you've got like a lovely, I don't even know what to say, it's like a lovely canvas neutral like border, and then you've got this lovely neutral brown, wooden brown detail going around the edge. So this one is for a 15 or 10 by 15 photo, 10 by 15 centimeter photo. And then I've also got a larger one, this one here. Okay, same kind of detail. This one here holds a 15 by 20 centimeter photo. So absolutely gorgeous, guys. So I think equivalent, I think this is a 5 by 7 inch photo, and then this will be a 6 by 4 photo or a 4 by 6 inch photo. Okay, but they're absolutely gorgeous. It's like Poundland are listening to me. You know, I'm sure one of my friends are secretly working for Poundland and they know my vibe, you know, because the lovely brown, and then you've got this lovely green detail in the background. I mean, with these, you don't even have to put a photograph in there, to be fair. They've already done it for you. I can just see a lovely black and white family photograph in this, and, you know, just have it on the shelf. Absolutely gorgeous. So I think, because these don't have the prices on, this is part of the Pepco Home, okay? So this one was £1. I think this one was £1.25, and I want to say that this one was £2. Yeah. If I'm wrong, as per usual, I normally just put the prices up on the screen here as well. Okay, so you find these in Poundland, guys. These beautiful, beautiful photo frames. Okay, so that's those. I have got a Poundland, another Poundland haul coming up tomorrow. I'm going to be sharing with you all my lovely pieces that I picked up for Easter and also Mother's Day, so do stay tuned for that. It's also a collaboration. Do make sure your notification bell is switched on. I'm going to be showing you all the fantastic goodies that I picked up in Poundland, okay, for Easter and Mother's Day. Okay, so the next item I want to show you is another item from Primark, and this also got reduced in the Primark sale. So this was originally £1.50. Okay, it's a lovely poster of this design, a lovely monochrome design. Okay, and it got reduced down to 50p. Red sticker, 50p. Don't know if you can see that, guys, but it got reduced down to 50p. So I don't know if I have to open it. I'm trying to see if there's a oh, there is. So I'm going to bring this up close, and that is the poster size. That is the design of the poster. You can either have it this way, or you can have it that way, or you can have it this way on your wall. Okay, so absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to take it out because it's all rolled up in the box, but I can tell you the size of it. So this is kind of like a large poster, 50 by 70 centimeters, guys. 50 by 70 centimeters for 50p. I think this has to be the bargain of the day, you know, bargain of the haul. This lovely poster from Primark Home. Okay, so that's that. So next up, guys, I'm going to show you these beautiful candles that have kindly been gifted to me by the brand. And the brand is M&SENSE. You can find them on Amazon. I'm going to put all the links for these stunning candles in the description box below. So if you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely love soy wax candles. So these candles that have kindly been gifted to me are soy wax candles, and they smell absolutely divine. Packaging as well, guys, is so lovely, so beautiful. You know, I love the font that they've used. And yeah, so this is the box for one of the candles. I'm just going to open it up with you, unbox it with you. Okay, so it's well packaged up. It's also got this to protect it in transit, which is also 100% recyclable. And then this is the candle here, guys. Look how gorgeous this is. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the scent of it, guys, Lavender Citrus, 100% natural wax candles. Take a stroll in the countryside with a grand symphony composed by the scent of oranges mingling with lavender and ylang ylang. So stunning. This one is the scent Lavender Citrus. So it's got the goodness of lavender, orange, ylang ylang. It's got a whole, the warmness of the candle is just so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just going to take off the lid now. Oh my gosh. It smells divine, guys. It smells divine. 2 wicks, which I do absolutely love. Now, I really want to just light this right now. I'm going to save it because I'm going to be having a pamper day, okay? A DIY pamper day at home, and I'm going to be using these candles. This is absolutely gorgeous. So this one is, like I said, Lavender Citrus, 100% natural wax. I'm going to put all the links for these in the description box below. You can find them on Amazon. Now, this candle is a whopping 550 gram candle, okay, in a lovely recyclable glass container. And I do love the colour of this as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that's that. Okay. And they've also sent me another one. I've actually got 3 candles from them. So this one is in the same packaging. And this one is called Roast Coffee. I'm opening it right now, guys. And if you can smell the scent of these candles, they're absolutely beautiful. So again, this one has the packaging on it as well to protect it in transit. And then this is the candle, guys. It's absolutely stunning. And it smells gorgeous. It smells divine. Oh my goodness. So this one has a sprinkle of caramel and also cinnamon, guys, with the coffee in there. Oh my goodness. It smells divine. It smells like a caramel latte, you know, something along those lines. You know, when you walk into the coffee shop and you get that whiff of coffee, that is what's coming through with this candle. It's absolutely beautiful. And again, I love the packaging, very simple packaging, and the lid as well. I mean, both of these candles are so aesthetically pleasing. I can't wait. I can't wait to use them. So that's those two. So there's one more, guys. Yep, so they sent me 3 candles, which I'm so, so grateful. Lovely company, M&SENSE, they are. So again, like I said, I'm going to put all the candles in the description box below. So this one, I chose this one mainly for hubby. And this one is in the scent Oud Wood. And again, it smells absolutely gorgeous. This one has bergamot, chewer wood, and oud wood. And again, guys, this one smells quite masculine. I do like the scent of oud. Oh my goodness, I do love an oud smell. I really do. So I'm getting a bit of lavender in this as well, but that could be the bergamot. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And this one is in a tin style container. They're all soy wax, guys, and that's what I love about the brand. You know, absolutely stunning, you know, and also aesthetically pleasing. You know, I could just imagine just having a nice spa day, you know, and just lighting one of these candles, or just having a chill out day in the evening, you know, watching a movie and just have the candle on the side. I know we are coming into spring, but I like to use candles all year round. Is anyone with me on that? You know, I just absolutely love candles around the house, you know, of course with safety first. But, you know, like I said, when I'm having my little spa days, DIY spa days at home, I do like to light candles. And these 3 candles, I'm gonna be spoilt for choice which one to use first. I'm feeling the Lavender Citrus one, you know, but any of these perfect for a spa day, or even for a gift for Mother's Day, or a gift for a birthday for a loved one, you know, or just a gift to say thank you, you know, to a loved one. They make perfect gifts. Okay, so guys, there is a discount code which I'm going to put on the screen for these candles, and also the links for these candles are going to be in the description box below. You can find them on Amazon. They have a whole bunch of candles on their shop. The links for the company, the brand M&SENSE, is all going to be in the description box below. Okay, guys. So, you know what, guys? I think that's it for today's haul. I've kept it short and sweet. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you here. Subscribe for more content like this. Take care. Keep well. Enjoy the sunshine. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's time for the thumbnail. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.